Alright, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the seamless panoramic post on Instagram. I think these posts are super fun to do, and it's something you can do to spice up your feed every now and then. Now for today's example post, I'm going to be using 2 photos. Most of the time I usually only do 2 photos, but you can do as many as you want. The important thing to remember though is the resolution is going to depend on the number of photos you choose to use. And I'll explain that in more detail in just a second. But for now, let's jump into the computer and I'm going to show you how to do this effect. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do, open up Lightroom, make sure you've done all the edits you want to do to your photo already. We're going to go into the crop tool here, and we're going to set a custom aspect ratio. Now the maximum aspect ratio on Instagram is 1350 by 1080. We're using 2 photos for this example, so we're going to do 1350 multiply 1080 by 2, and it's going to give us 1350 by 2160 for our aspect ratio. Once that's done, we're going to open the photo up in Photoshop. Go ahead and unlock the background layer. Go up to View, New Guide Layout. We're going to set the columns to 2 because we're doing 2 photos. Make sure the gutter is set to 0 because we don't want any space between our 2 photos. Go to your crop tool and click and hold to select the slice tool and hit Slices from Guides. We now have 2 perfectly even slices that are going to make up our seamless panorama. Let's go up to File, Export, and Save for Web. We're going to fit this in view, select both of our slices, and we're going to change the preset to a JPEG. Let's go down to the image size and we're going to change our height to 1350, and it should automatically fill in 2160. Hit save, and you should have images only, default settings, all slices. Hit save. Now go ahead and move those photos to your phone so you can post them on Instagram. We're going to come in here, select it, make sure you zoom all the way out. Select multiple, select your second photo, make sure that's zoomed all the way out, and then all you've got to do is post it like normal. So that is how you do the seamless panoramic posts on Instagram. I think this makes for a really slick panoramic carousel type post, and it's sure to impress your friends. So I hope you try this one out, hope you have fun with it, hope you learned something today, and that is going to be it for me. I'll see you next week.